In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV to Supabase database. By the end, you'll have a new Supabase project, a table ready to receive data, and your CSV imported cleanly. Start by opening the Supabase dashboard and signing in. From the main workspace, create a new project. Give your project a clear descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. When prompted for a database password, choose a strong one and store it safely. You'll use it to connect to Postgres behind the scenes. Pick the region closest to your users or your team to reduce latency, and then create the project. Supabase will provision your database and dashboard. This may take a minute. Once your project is ready, look to the left sidebar and open the table editor. This is where you'll manage your database tables and data. Create a new table and enter a concise table name, ideally using lowercase with underscores so it's consistent and easy to query later. Add a short description to document the purpose of the table for your future self and collaborators. When you save, Supabase creates the table in your project's default schema. With the table created, head to the Data view and open the Insert options. Choose Import Data from CSV. Before you upload, double-check your CSV. It should have a header row with column names, and each column should match what you expect in the table, like text, numbers, dates, or booleans. Clean data leads to smoother imports and fewer surprises. Click the area that says you can drag and drop or browse for files, then select your CSV from your computer. Supabase will read the file and prepare it for import. Take a moment to confirm that the column headers in your CSV align with the table's columns. If you see mismatches, it's best to fix the CSV headers or adjust the table's column names and types before proceeding. Also, make sure your CSV uses commas as separators and UTF-8 encoding to avoid character issues. When everything looks correct, start the import. Supabase will insert the rows into your table and show you a success notice when it's done. You can now refresh the table view to see your imported data and scroll through to spot check a few rows for accuracy. That's it. You navigated to the dashboard, created a project and table, uploaded a CSV, and imported it into your database. If you keep your CSV headers and data types consistent with your table, you'll get reliable imports every time. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Supabase.